Did you know the greatest underdog victory in history started with everyone laughing at a teenager? Dear young David, I know they're laughing at you right now. Your brothers rolled their eyes when you left the sheep to see the battle. King Saul tried to dress you in armor that didn't fit. The giant Goliath looked down and mocked Israel for sending a boy with sticks. But here's what they couldn't see: your quiet confidence. While they saw a shepherd boy, you remembered the lions and bears you killed protecting your flock. While they offered you weapons you'd never tested, you chose 5 smooth stones from the brook. When you declared, "You come with sword and spear, but I come in the name of the Lord," something shifted. Your youth wasn't your weakness, it was your superpower. No heavy armor to slow you down. No fear from past defeats, just pure faith and speed as you ran toward the giant while trained soldiers cowered. 1 stone, 1 shot, 1 fallen giant. Your age didn't disqualify you, it equipped you.